study the subject-verb agreement. In present tense, we have this verb must agree with the one another in number. Okay? So in other words, kung singular po yung subject, ano po yung verb niya? Sa present tense, kapag singular ang subject, with S, with ES, or with IES ang verb. Kapag naman po plural ang subject, ang verb naman po niya is without S. Sa present tense po yan. Our example is this. The dog chases the cat. Dog is singular, so the word chase with S. The second sentence. Dogs chase the cat. Dog is plural, kaya wala pong S. Yung subject-verb agreement rules apply all personal pronoun except I saka you. So hindi po kasama yung I saka you sa paglalagay po ng with